struck. Ah! Anyone who knows me or follows me knows I'm infatuated with the trap bar. Welcome. Try something new for your back. Trap bar rows. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to stabilize one side of the plates so it doesn't slide around. So I put a dumbbell down here to help stabilize it, and I put a clip on that side. Okay, you want to make sure that your knees are bent. Okay, make sure your knees are bent so you don't hurt your back. Make sure your spine is in alignment. If you want to bend over at a 90-degree angle, you don't want to be up like this. You're not going to get the full benefit of the exercise. Bend over, make sure your spine is in alignment. Don't move your head up or down. It should be straight. Don't move it to the side to look in the mirror, because that could cause whiplash. So you're going to have to sort of experiment a little bit to see if you're in the right position. And then you want to grip it, pull it up, and squeeze the scapula. Squeeze. You'll feel it. You don't need a lot of weight for this. Squeeze. Squeeze.